In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record on Windows 10. Whether you're creating a tutorial, capturing gameplay, or just want to save a piece of content from your screen, this guide will help you utilize a handy tool right at your fingertips, the Xbox Game Bar. Windows 10 comes equipped with several ways to record your screen, but today we're focusing on its built-in feature that many users might not even realize they have. To start, head over to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can type for quick access to features and apps on your computer. Type in Game Bar or Xbox Game Bar. These terms are synonymous for our search. Once you've typed it in, you should see the option for Xbox Game Bar appear in the results list. Click on it to launch the application. What you're opening is a built-in app designed specifically for recording games, but it can also be adeptly used for general screen recording. The Game Bar is part of the Windows 10 Gaming Overlay Suite, and it's here to make recording intuitive and straightforward. Once the Game Bar is open, you'll see an overlay with various widgets that let you record your screen, take screenshots, and more. The key buttons to focus on are the capture options. You'll notice the recording icon, which will allow you to begin capturing your screen with just a click. Before you start, ensure that anything you want recorded is ready on your desktop or in your application window, as the Game Bar will capture whatever is being displayed. The default keyboard shortcut to bring up this Game Bar overlay is Windows key plus G. It's good to remember shortcuts like this for more efficient use in the future. With the shortcut, you can easily access the recording features without needing to dive into search bars. For those looking to explore beyond this built-in app, there are also third-party software options that can be very beneficial, especially if your needs are more specific or advanced. Popular alternatives include OBS Studio, Bandicam, and Loom, among others. These programs often offer additional features such as advanced editing capabilities or streaming options, which might be useful depending on what you intend to do with your recordings. Utilizing the Xbox Game Bar is a fantastic way to start recording on Windows 10 with no additional downloads or setup required. It's convenient, effective, and built right into the operating system. Don't forget to explore its settings to customize your experience according to what fits you best. Thanks for joining us in this guide on recording your screen with Windows 10. Happy recording!